If you are wondering what is the material that was used on the back of POCO F8 Ultra, then let me quickly answer the question for you. Of course, POCO F8 Ultra comes in two versions. We have this denim blue, and also there is like a standard black color. This is of course the Pro model, not Ultra, but more or less it looks almost the same. There are some small differences in this case in the islands where we have cameras. But this material over here, this denim blue, is of course not really made out of denim. It only looks and kind of feels like denim, but in reality it is what is Xiaomi called the third generation nanotech material, which is some kind of a some type of plastic, broadly speaking. But yeah, it still feels pretty good to use. The filling looks feels pretty soft and grippy at the same time. And it's also quite immune to fingerprints. I don't think it is actually possible to leave fingerprints over there. But if you get the black color, so let's pretend that this is also Ultra but in black, then in this case the black material, the black color, the back cover of the black variant is made out of glass fiber reinforced plastic. And usually you can just tell by looking at the photo of it. Well, maybe not in this case, as I mentioned, because this is the Pro model, but yeah, generally speaking, the Ultra model with the black color is glass fiber reinforced plastic. And that is pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.